Good morning students. Let's start with today our chemistry subject and we will continue our chapter 5, that is coal and petroleum. I told you this is very important chapter. Today we will discuss the heading of petroleum in this, and the next heading in this video we will discuss natural gas. So now let's start. Students, you know what is petroleum. So over here when we see this petroleum word, it is a liquid fossil fuel and it is formed from the word petra plus oleum, that is petroleum. Petra and oleum. Petra means rock and oleum means oil. So petroleum, that is rock oil. That is. Now let's see further. So it was formed from organisms which died in sea. Now this was actually in the marine animals when they had decomposed in the sea. Afterwards the petroleum was formed, and when these died their bodies got covered with sand and clay. Now that time the bodies of those dead animals, they were actually covered with sand and clay and some grit and pebbles which had led to their formation, and over millions of years they had got converted into petroleum. So this was because of the million years. Now let's see the process of petroleum refining. So we will see here first that what is a petrol. So it is a dark liquid that consists of LPG, then it consists of petrol, kerosene, diesel, lubricating oil, then it consists of bitumen. So these all the things are there which are included in the petroleum. So now these all things need to be separated. That's why we do a process in this of petroleum refining. So for that, these all the elements are separated or refined in the other language with the help of petroleum refining, which is done in petroleum refining industries. It is a very important process because these all products are important. Now let's see the uses of the products that are obtained from petroleum. This is a very important board examination point of view question, and questions come. So these are the 7 compounds that we obtain from petroleum. Let's discuss their use. LPG or liquefied petroleum gas. It is a fuel in home as well as in industry. The second one is the petrol that we know very well. Now this LPG is used in cylinders, petrol is used in vehicles, and diesel is also used in vehicles. Then kerosene is used for stoves, that is a fuel for stoves which we use in some house, as well as very interesting thing is it is used in jet planes also. The next is lubricating oil, which lubricating means fislan in Hindi. So this lubricating oil that we are getting over here, it is basically used in the process of lubrication. So these all the 5 that we have discussed are very important. So first let us read them all again. So this lubricating oil that I have already told, it is used in the process of lubrication in machineries and in industries, and it is in Hindi known as fislan. Paraffin wax in candles, and the last one, the 7th compound, is bitumen, and this bitumen is used, now you can see over here, this bitumen is used in the paints that is used in our homes as well as in the road surfacing. Now let's discuss natural gas. So natural gas is another example of a fossil fuel, and it is different from coal and petroleum. The major product of natural gas that we get is CNG, that is compressed natural gas. Nowadays compressed natural gas or CNG is used in vehicles, and it is very cheap, affordable, as well as it does not cause pollution. Children, it is very important for us to protect our environment because petroleum and coal, these are diminishing at a very fast rate, and we know that these are inexhaustible, so they will take millions of years to again form. That's why we discuss natural gas over here. The flame that we get comprises of the outermost flame, that is blue, is methane, the pink flame, that is ethane, then the purple or violet flame that we get is of propane, then this yellow flame is of butane, and this white flame consists of nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, and helium. These are all carbon compounds. It is very important for us to protect our environment and to conserve these natural resources for the future generation. That's why we should use them in control, and we should use bicycle wherever necessary.